In ancient Egypt, a series of dramatic events unfolded, known famously as the 10 Plagues. But what were they? Acts of nature or divine punishment? The biblical narrative, primarily found in the book of Exodus, describes these plagues as the wrathful hand of God against Pharaoh's stubbornness. Starting with water turning to blood, then featuring frogs, gnats, and flies, these phenomena were followed by pestilence, boils, hail, locust, darkness, and the tragic death of firstborns. Each represented a catastrophic event, distressing Egypt's society deeply. Yet some scholars suggest these may have been natural disasters, possibly triggered by climatic changes or volcanic eruptions. Regardless, the plagues remain entrenched in religious and cultural history, embodying themes of liberation and the enduring struggle between divine will and human